Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel my recurring buys on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone who's already set up recurring buys on Coinbase, but then wants to go ahead and actually cancel them. So for our example, we're going to be using the Coinbase app over here, guys. It's this blue and white icon that you see right over here. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to follow along all the way till the end in order to learn how to do this. Now, in order to actually cancel your recurring buys on Coinbase, let's go ahead and access our Coinbase app. And then once this page loads, we basically need to go to where our recurring buys are. So on the bottom hand side, you're going to see this icon that looks like a torn piece of paper. Now on this page, you're going to see your transactions. So you can see your recurring buys, limit orders, and then some recent transactions. Go ahead and click on recurring buy. And then this is where you're going to see the assets which you currently are buying. So as you can see, we're buying Ethereum twice a month and then buying Bitcoin every week. So with that, in order to actually cancel your recurring buys, just simply click on the asset that you want to cancel and then click on this cancel recurring purchase. So if we want to cancel our Ethereum recurring buy, we would just click on cancel recurring purchase. So that right there, everyone, is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and cancel your recurring buys on Coinbase. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.